How to delete or edit a scroll on UpScrolled. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Whether you made a typo, want to update your content, or simply want to remove an old scroll, then UpScrolled makes it super easy. First of all, launch open UpScrolled application from your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into UpScrolled, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner from the home screen. Now you will be able to see all of your posts in your profile section. Go ahead and select one of your scroll you want to edit or delete. Tap the three dots right next to the scroll on the page and in the pop-up at the bottom. If you want to edit your scroll, click on Edit and make necessary changes. If you want to delete your scroll, then select Delete and click on the delete button in the pop-up and your selected post will be deleted. Once deleted, the scroll is permanently removed. Now you can keep your content clean, updated, and totally in your control. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.